So within the charity sense, my role involves working with the sports sector, the health and social care sector, just to kind of break down those barriers that people with complex needs face when trying to access mainstream sport opportunities. A lot of the people we support want to be active, they want to have the same opportunities as us, to be active, to make new friends, to, improve skills, but often there are barriers and things in place that kind of stop them being able to do that, unfortunately. So my role is to kind of help ease that and just increase what is there for everybody, because ultimately, yes, we do it for people with complex needs, but at the end of the day, if we can increase inclusion in general, then that benefits the wider community as well.
I have cerebral palsy. I got no feeling in my legs. I listen to music. Heavy metal, Guns N' Roses, ACDC, not all things. Noisier or better can go for my feet. Current events, you get the choice and independence. I go to day sessions twice a week. I like being out all every day.
The type of values you need to work in care is you need to be honest, you need to be caring, but also just be you. It's a sense of achievement when you settle in some way and you know you belong. When I'm interacting with somebody, it's watching them smile that just gives you a sense of achievement, that you've brightened somebody's day up and you've accomplished something because somebody else is happy, and that's all I ever want to do. And we can do that here because everybody belongs some way and sense is the place to belong. Coming into care, I would suggest you do some research, do some training and talk to people that has been doing care for years and years to make sure this is what you want to do. You have the odd day where it's hard, but when that person looks at you and gives you a little bit of, you've done right, it makes me feel good. And I go home smiling, I really do. And I can't wait to get back here the next day.